Updating your billing information on Mubi is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Mubi website or open the app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Find billing information. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Billing or Payment Information. Click on this section to view your current billing details. Step 4. Update payment details. Here you can edit your payment information. Enter your new credit card details or any other required information. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid payment issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing information, look for a button to save or update your changes. Click this button to confirm your new payment details are saved successfully. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing information on Mubi. Regularly check your account to ensure your payment details are always up to date.